Experience seamless connectivity throughout your entire home with advanced networking solutions. The best home mesh Wi-Fi ensures strong, consistent coverage across every room, eliminating dead zones and buffering. Enjoy smooth streaming, gaming, and smart home performance with reliable, high-speed internet that adapts to your lifestyle. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TP-Link Deco X55. The TP-Link Deco X55 is a reliable and high-performance Wi-Fi 6 mesh system designed to eliminate weak signals and deliver smooth, consistent internet across your entire home. With coverage extending up to 6,500 square feet, this AX3000 system ensures that every corner of your home receives a strong, stable connection without the dead zones or buffering commonly found in traditional routers and extenders. The Deco X55 is capable of handling up to 150 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for smart homes, large families, and heavy users who stream, work, and game online. Its AI-driven mesh technology intelligently adapts to your network environment, providing optimized connectivity unique to your setup. Each Deco unit features 3 gigabit Ethernet ports for flexible wired connections and supports Ethernet backhaul to enhance performance even further. Security is also a strong suit for this model. TP-Link's commitment to the CISA Secure by Design pledge ensures your network is built with advanced cybersecurity protection. Setup is simple with the Deco app, allowing you to control and monitor your network effortlessly. Overall, the TP-Link Deco X55 delivers an excellent balance of speed, coverage, and security, making it a top choice for households that demand dependable, high-speed Wi-Fi throughout every room and device. Number 2. Amazon Eero 6 Plus. The Amazon Eero 6 Plus offers gigabit speed Wi-Fi without the high cost, making it one of the most affordable and reliable mesh systems on the market. Built with Wi-Fi 6 technology, it supports the 160 MHz radio channel for a significant bandwidth boost, ensuring fast and stable performance across all your devices. Whether you're working from home, streaming in 4K, or video conferencing, the Eero 6 Plus keeps your connection smooth and lag-free. Its patented True Mesh technology intelligently routes data traffic, reducing congestion, dead zones, and signal drop-offs. Backward compatible with earlier Eero models, it's easy to expand your network as needed. Setup is quick and straightforward through the Eero app, which allows you to manage your network from anywhere and ensures a hassle-free experience. Over time, the Eero 6 Plus gets even better thanks to automatic firmware updates that enhance security and performance. It also offers optional advanced network management and online protection through a subscription. For those who value reliability and simplicity, the Eero 6 Plus is an excellent option that combines ease of use, powerful connectivity, and great long-term value, all in a sleek, compact design that fits seamlessly into any modern home environment. Number 3. NETGEAR Orbi 370. The NETGEAR Orbi 370 stands out as a next-generation Wi-Fi 7 mesh system built for speed, coverage, and seamless performance. Capable of delivering up to 5 gigabits of wireless speed, it's designed to handle multiple high-bandwidth activities like 4K streaming, gaming, and video conferencing simultaneously without lag or buffering. Wi-Fi 7 technology ensures a 1.7x faster experience compared to Wi-Fi 6, while maintaining backward compatibility for older devices. The Orbi 370's dual-band technology with enhanced backhaul provides reliable, high-speed connections throughout your entire home, no matter how many devices are connected. With automatic firmware updates and built-in security measures, NETGEAR ensures your network remains safe and up-to-date. Its advanced router protection offers additional safety layers to guard against online threats. The system's elegant, minimalist design complements any home decor while delivering 360-degree Wi-Fi coverage, even in hard-to-reach areas. Setup is straightforward through the Orbi app, and once installed, it maintains powerful and consistent performance. Perfect for large households and users who demand the best, the Orbi 370 brings together cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 performance, advanced protection, and refined design, offering one of the most complete home networking experiences available today. Number 4. Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. The Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro is a powerhouse of speed, coverage, and smart automation built with the latest Wi-Fi 6E technology. Designed to deliver up to twice the performance of Wi-Fi 6, it ensures fast, reliable connectivity across homes up to 6,600 square feet with 3 routers working in sync. The Nest Wi-Fi Pro automatically adjusts performance to optimize your network for different activities, prioritizing video calls, streaming, and browsing for smooth, uninterrupted experiences. It uses the 6 GHz band to minimize congestion and provides exceptional stability, even at the edges of your coverage area. Built-in self-monitoring and diagnostic features allow the system to detect and fix minor network issues automatically, reducing downtime and maintenance. The setup is intuitive via the Google Home app, and the sleek design blends naturally with any room. While it's not backward compatible with previous Nest or Google Wi-Fi models, the Nest Wi-Fi Pro stands out with its superior speed, intelligent optimization, and robust reliability. It's a perfect choice for modern homes that demand effortless connectivity and self-managing Wi-Fi performance that consistently keeps up with today's high-speed internet needs. Number 5. TP-Link Deco M5. The TP-Link Deco M5 offers a seamless and secure mesh Wi-Fi experience that covers up to 5,500 square feet, making it a great solution for eliminating dead zones in medium to large homes. Unlike traditional routers and extenders, this system uses 3 interconnected units that create a unified network, allowing you to move from room to room without losing connection or switching networks. TP-Link's adaptive routing technology automatically selects the fastest path for every device, ensuring consistent performance for all your connected gadgets. Security is another strong feature of the Deco M5, as it includes TP-Link Home Care with lifetime antivirus, parental controls, and quality of service (QoS) for managing bandwidth. Each unit includes 2 gigabit Ethernet ports and supports wired Ethernet backhaul for even better stability. Setup is quick and easy with the Deco app, and the system also works with Alexa for voice control. The Deco M5 delivers dependable speeds, stable connections, and advanced protection, all in a compact, stylish design. It's an excellent option for families or anyone looking to upgrade from a traditional router setup to a modern, efficient, and secure mesh Wi-Fi system that ensures smooth connectivity throughout the entire home. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.